Good morning, students. This is Suman Chaswal. Today I am going to take a new topic, and that is on verbs. Okay, so I hope you all know what are verbs. Verbs are words which show action. They are also called doing words. Okay, doing words means words which you are doing something. For example, I am standing. So standing is a verb. I am walking. Walking is a verb. I am speaking. At present, what am I doing? I am speaking. So speaking is a verb. You are listening. So listen is a verb. I am watching you. I am watching the camera. You are watching my video. Watch. So watch is a verb. So today our topic is verbs. So what are verbs? Words which show action. Action words. Or you can call them doing words. They always show some action. There's a long list. There are thousands of verbs. I will be giving you a lot of verbs, a list of verbs, the common ones which we do use in day-to-day life. Okay? Now, verbs are always of three types. Okay? The present, past, and not future, but past participle. So there are three types of verbs which we use, the regular verbs. Okay? So present, past, past participle. In short, we can say V1, verb 1, the first form, V2, the second form, and V3, the third form. Okay? Now there are different categories of the three forms of the verb. The first category is when all three are same. In the present, past, and participle, all three are same. For example, verbs like shut. In present is also shut, past is also shut, and past participle it is also shut. There is no word shutted. Okay? Shut, shut, shut. Okay? Then set. Shut is shut the door. So the action shut. Set, set, set. What is set? Set is to set the table, set the area. Okay? So set, set, set. Spread. You know how COVID spread all over the world? Spread. We spread jam on a piece of slice of bread. So spread, spread. Again it's an action. Spread. So there are many more verbs that are cut, 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 cut. Okay? All three forms, the first form, second form, and third form. Present, past, and past participle, all are cut, cut, cut. Read, 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 and read. But sometimes in the past tense we use I have read my book. But the spelling is same. R-E-A-D, R-E. Read, read, read. Okay? So this is the first category in which all the verbs in this category are same in all the three forms. Okay? And there are so many more of these. For another example I will give you. Hit, hit, hit. Okay? Sometimes students say, ma'am, this boy hitted me. It's wrong. This boy hit me. Okay? Not hitted me. So, just I've told you that there are three categories. The present, past, and past participle. In the first category, it is same in all the three forms. Now comes the second category. The second category, in which the second category, two are same. Two are same. Mostly second V2 and V3 are same. For example, call, called, called. And remember students, wherever we use ed in a word, that means it is a verb. This is also a way to identify. If we have used ed, means it is a verb in the past form or in the past participle form. Call, called, called. Dance, danced. Again ed, danced. So these two are same. These two are same. Laugh, laugh, laughed, laughed. Jump, jump, jumped, jumped. Bend. This is a bit different now. All these were ed. Now this is different. Bend. Bend is to bend like this. Bend, bent. The D becomes T. Bent, bent. So this is and this one and this one, V2 and V3 are same. Bend, bent, bent. Build. Build is to make something. A bird's build nest, or you make a build. The thing mason builds a building. Okay. So build, built. T. D becomes T. Built. Okay. See, these two are same. Learn. Now there's a little one, learn. Little different one. Learn. It is either we say learnt, T, learnt, learnt. Or we can also write it as learned, ed, and learned. But when we say the second form learnt, then third form will be learnt. When we say the second form is learned, third form also will be learned. It has two, V2 and V3. Learn, learnt, learnt. Learn, learned, learned. Okay. So this is the second category in which two are same. Now there is an exception also here. It's not necessarily only these two will be same. It can be this two also. For example, come. Come, came, come. This one and this one. For V1 and V3 are same. And V2 is different. Come, came, come. In the same way, run, run, ran, run. Okay. So, second category in which two of the verb forms are same. It can be mostly these two, but sometimes like in come and run, first and third. Okay. The third category. Now we are coming to the third category. The third category, in which all three are different. The third category is totally different. There is no similarity. Third category, all are different. Okay, for example, first one I say sing, sang, sung. Sing, sang, sung. All three are different. Fly, fly, flew, flown. Buy, bought. This one is same. Buy, bought, me. Drink, drink, drank, drunk. Write, I am writing. Action, write, wrote, written. Okay, speak, spoke, spoken. So you saw all the three are different. V1, V2, V3, present, past participle, all three are different. Okay, so in this the verbs are V1, V2, V3, they are all in the third category, all three are different. For example, let's take another example, swim, swam, swum, and many more. Like I told you, I will give you a long list of the verbs so that you read them and go through them again and again so that your verbs it comes to you quickly. Because remember, verbs you will have to use when you are learning tenses. You have to know your verbs very nicely. Okay? So, a long list of verbs you should be having and should be going through it again and again. Okay? So, today I have given you a class of telling you about verbs. Verbs are words which show action, doing words. There are three types of verbs. There are the regular verbs V1, V2, V3. V1 is present, V2 is past, and V3 is past participle. In the first category, two are same. All three are same. For example, shut, 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 cut, cut, cut. In the second category, two are same. Call, 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 dance, 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 and so on. In the third category, all three are different. Sing, sang, sung, ring, rang, rung, drink, drank, drunk. Okay? So in the third category. So next class I will be giving you a quick exercise on to use of the verbs. Okay? To identify the verbs and also to fill up the blanks. Thank you, students. And once again, don't forget to subscribe and like, and also pay complete attention to this. Focus on this because verbs are very important. When you are reading about sentences, tenses, passive, active, direct, indirect, you will be it is important that you know about your verbs. Thank you, students, and God bless.